Hello and welcome back to our channel. So on our today's videos we are going to make a cupcakes. It's been a long time we haven't made videos, so I'll make it special this time. I'm gonna make cupcakes, and here we have a cupcakes liner. I have already prepared it, and we're going to make cupcakes, and I'm gonna show you all the ingredients I have already collected here. So let's start making. This is our butter and this is our sugar, so you need to mix this too. Yeah, and then you're going to beat it. Next we are going to add this vanilla essence into this egg. And then what we are going to do next is we are going to add these batches here, and then we are going to whip it. And so we're done with this. Now I forgot to on my oven. Let me on it. Yes, I have already on my oven. So the next is we are going to add this flour and baking powder here in the butter and egg mixture. So it's done. Now we're going to mix this. So we have already mixed it and it's done. And the next up, we are going to keep this in a piping bag and we'll fill it in the cupcake liners. So let's put this in a piping bag. Now we are going to divide it. Oh, sorry. So here we should not overfill. We should not fill it less. So that's why I'm using this. See this one, so that the amount will be equal. I think this is a little bit small. So here is our cupcakes. We are done filling the liners, so we're going to bake now. Okay, I'll show you there. Do I need to show? I'll just not show you. So our cupcake is inside the oven and we are going to bake around 20 minutes, and within 20 minutes, if it is not still good to go, you need to bake it more. This will be according, you need to adjust it accordingly, okay? So guys, our cupcake is done. Let me put glove. This is our glove. Still hot, so I cannot use my bare hand, so I'm using this glove. So Here is our cupcakes. It's done. It's perfectly done. See? Yay! And now I'm going to show you 3 folds in cupcake making. This is the number 1 fold. What do you see here? It's too much brown, right? So it is over back. This is X. And what is this for? This is overfilled. You have overfilled your batter here, so it comes out of the liner. So it's overfilled, and this is also X. And the last one is the perfect one. See? It's not overbaked. It doesn't come out from the liners. It's not burned as well. This is the perfect one. It's so, see? It's so awesome. Now, let's see our cupcakes. This is it. You see? So soft. That's that. So, if you like these videos, please do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you next time.